first nail drill. I don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, so gotta unpackage everything. I guess I'm gonna leave that on for now. Yeah, we're gonna leave that on. I don't know what I'm doing. So you plug it up like, wait, is that right? Yeah. Okay. Got our couple of bits here. We're gonna figure out how to put them in. Should be simple. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to go forward or reverse. That's the part I should probably Google. Are we just gonna figure it out together? What is this? Is that for cuticles? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what this is for. Yeah, but the first part is getting the. What is this? Can I take this out? I'm confused. Uno momento. All right, that's what instructions are for. We figured it out. Okay, so you spin this part of it, and that comes right on out. We got that piece to come out, and then you put this piece in, spin that back on, then you just put this on here, I'm guessing, all the way down, right? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of dust everywhere, so prepare for that. Okay, kind of quiet. Okay, how fast do I need it? I don't know. Well, let's see how this goes. I'm scared. Move that back, I guess. Oh, okay. These are my Valentine's nails. Saying goodbye. I love them, but I need something new. Okay. Okay, do I need to be higher? Oh. Okay. That ain't it. Okay, hold on. It's not forward. Let's try reverse. I don't feel like it's doing anything. Yeah. Let's try the other way. I feel like you are supposed to do it forward. I don't know. Clearly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. There we go. Now we finally see the color actually coming off. Oh, shit. Yeah, don't do that. All right. So, let's get some alcohol, clean this bad boy up, and let's see the damage. Uno momento. All right, let's see. Okay, we missed a spot. That's fine. All right, so, ooh, okay. Definitely did the job. It's dirty under my nail. Don't mind that. That's we're not gonna speak of that. But okay. Definitely did the job. Okay, let's just go on to the next nail. That took me about 5 minutes for one nail. I mean, it's fine. How long would it have taken me normally? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to switch bits real quick, and we're going to try this little thing and see if it can get that dirty shit from up under my nail. let's see. Go ahead and twist this bad boy out. Take that out. Put this one in. All right. We're gonna see. Shit, that's yep. I'm dropping everything. It's fine. All right, so let's see. I don't know how to use this. I don't, Is that doing anything? I don't know what this bit is for, so yeah. I don't think that's what it's for. Is it for this? Oh, that's what it's for. Okay. Cool. Okay. So I think this one is for cuticle removal. I think. So it seems to be doing. Let's see on another nail. Ow! Okay. Well, that fucking hurt. Alright. Let's switch back to the other one. Time to ruin our beautiful designs. Oh, that's going through way better. Okay. Let's move on to this one. This one should be easy. It's just white. Ow. Okay. Don't do that. Alright, we got all the other nails done. So we're going to go ahead and see what this one is like to take off with these stickers. I don't know what you want to call them. The like lines. Yeah, whatever. They're just the little sticky lines. We're going to see how those remove using this thing. I'm scared. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this nail. We're gonna try this last glitter nail with the lines and see how that goes. Okay, time to try it with my left hand. This is gonna be hard. Alright, it's coming off, but it's coming off really weird and chunky, so I'll be back. Okay. So, I mean, it works. We went from this beautifulness to this. I fucked up a few nails. That one, to the side. This thumb is kind of doing its own thing. I don't even know what to say. They definitely need to be reshaped and everything, but I mean, hey, taking this off, I would have had to soak it, and it still wouldn't have came off. And it would have been like 2 hours trying to get this off compared to like 1 hour, not even 30 minutes. I mean, like for this hand 30, about an hour. I don't know. I really don't. But so I would say it definitely works. I would definitely say the MediCool Turbo File 2. I think it's good for my first drill. I don't really know any better, honestly. It's not too heavy. It's kind of easy to hold. Yeah, it's not too loud. Some complain about it being loud, but I expect it to make noise, just not be too loud. So for my first drill, I think I really like it. And if you were thinking of getting a drill, here you go. I would recommend this one. Yeah, so you have your settings right here. You can go that's as fast as it goes. You get it a little lower, a little medium. Then you have the reverse and forward right here. I still don't really know which one you need for which. I'll figure that out as we go along, you know what I'm saying? But that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching this mess, I guess.